Hello, scholars. I am going to introduce to you today the Enrichment project. If you are seeing this, that means that you were assigned to the very first Enrichment project. I am going to go over what you do for an Enrichment project, and in order to get to this, you have to have 90% on your pretest. So you will not be doing any of our Go Math bookwork. You will not be doing any of our Go Math exit tickets, nor our final chapter test. But I want to go over what you will be doing instead. So this is the enrichment project. You will be assigned this project in the Google Classroom, and it will only be assigned to you. You're going to take a look at all the different slides here and see what you have to do. But the first one is just a title page there. The second one shows you what the different concepts were that were in our math, our Go Math, that you would have been doing if you were doing the book work. And then it gives you the directions here. So it says, review the different choice menu activities, complete the project proposal. That is 3 slides. When you've completed the proposal slides, get teacher approval. So that means once you've decided what 3 things you want to do for your project, you have to come talk to me and let me know which ones you have decided you want to do. Choose those 3 activities off your choice board, and when you are done with your products, complete the project rubric. Prepare your presentation and fill out the presentation slides. That's 2 more slides. Share your project with the class during presentation time and complete the presentation rubric. I'm going to go over all of that with you, but it also has a little note at the bottom. If you're completely done with your project before presentation day, please see your teacher for extra activities. So let's take a look at the menu. You have some choice menus here, and you do not have to do these in any particular order. You can choose any 3 activities you want to do from any of the menus. There's like 4 different menus, 5 different menus here. So I want you to read through them. So the first couple days, read through them and see which ones you think you might want to do. This section right here talks about what standard it's covering, and then these ones are the activities. So you can make up a quiz, you can do a talk show script, a poster, you could do dominoes, a lesson plan, ice cream cones, spinner game, wish list, or scavenger hunt. It explains what each of those activities are on the menu here. You can also do an anchor chart, Jeopardy, or a ledger. This is also a different menu. This is, you can make some cards, create 3 different places and compare the values of 3s, create a who am I value riddle, create a new number. That's another create a new number. Explain the place value system, compare the values of digits, talk to 2 friends about place value. Another cards one, make up 5 numbers, create a matching quiz, describe 3 real world situations. So these are all, make lists. These are all activities that have to do with place value. And the last one, your choices, explain the connection between rounding and estimating, round the number 4 times. So you could choose 3 menu items that you want to complete. Then you come here and you do your project proposal slide. You fill out what you would like to do. So your first product, it says, what will you create for this product? So you go back to the menu and say, okay, let's just do an example. I'm going to make a quiz. Right here it says, create a 5-problem multiple choice quiz where students have to identify the place value of a whole digit number. Don't forget to include an answer key. So I would come back to this and I would say, I'm going to create a quiz with 5 problems. About place value, and then what standard. You can go back and look at the standard again, and it says this is the standard right here. I can recognize that in a multi-digit whole number, a digit in the ones place represents 10 times what it represents in the place to its right. All you have to do is copy that right there and put it in there so that I know which standard you're going to address. Then you go through and you that's your first product. Slide 2 says, describe each of your products with detail. Use as many boxes as you have products. So your first product is going to be the quiz, right? Then you got to decide, okay, what's my second product going to be? And let's say I choose the second one. I'm going to do a poster. So I'd write on my second product down here, that I'm going to make a poster. And then you have to choose a third product. You say, okay, I'm going to create a Jeopardy game. So I come down here and I say my third product is a Jeopardy game. Okay. Third slide for the project proposal says, fill out the answer for the following question. Why did you decide to create these products? And then you get my approval. I don't want you to go past slide 11 here until you know for sure that those are the 3 things that you want to do. So I think I made one mistake up here. What products will you create for this? You're going to tell me all 3 products here and what standards will be addressed. So I did make a mistake when I was talking about that. So tell me the 3 products you're going to make, what standard is addressed, and then describe each of the products here, why you chose those products, and then get my approval. Then here you have the product rubric here. It tells you how you can get a 4, 3, 2, or 1. I want you to read through that and decide, okay, well, I want to get a 3. Obviously, 3 is passing. Check out the criteria for that. For a 3, you need to have included all the information that was required. Most of the math compositions are accurate, but there are 1 or 2 small errors. You can make small errors, it's okay. Student has a strong understanding of the math concept and has shown mastery. A lot of student creativity is present. Sorry, last one. The project is attractive in terms of design, layout, neatness, and overall appearance. So again, you're going to be making 3 products. So all 3 of those need to be done neatly. They need to be done accurately. You need to show creativity. You need to include information and kind of understand what you're talking about. Then you come here. You're going to choose one of those 3 to present to the class. So write which one you want to present to the class. So if it's the poster that you want to present to the class, say that you're going to present the poster. And then what standard does the poster address? Why did you choose to share that product with the class? What did you learn while you were doing this project? And then you go through on this very last slide and you circle what you think your grade is on the rubric. You could insert a shape and circle it, or any other, you could just circle that particular area where you think you get it on the rubric. And if you're not sure how to make a circle so you can see the inside, you just insert a shape. Let's say, for instance, I'm going to do a circle here. If I do a circle here, I click on it, and then I press the little paint, and I make it transparent, and that will show you a clear circle. I'm going to take that off real quickly, but that's just to show you how you would put in a circle so that you could show what you earned. So again, this one is just for reading. This one gives you the directions. These 4 are all your choices as to what you're going to be making. You're going to choose 3 choices. You're going to write what those 3 choices are and what standards you're going to be doing. You're going to describe those 3 projects. If you a little bit more, give me some information. I'm going to make a poster. This is what the poster is going to look like. Or I'm going to make the Jeopardy game. This is what the Jeopardy game should look like. Give me some more description there. 3 is why did you decide on that? The next one is get my approval. After you've gotten my approval, you look at the criteria before you get started. Then you get started making it. You make all of it, all 3 products, and then you decide which one you want to present to the class. You tell me which one you decided, what standard it addresses, why did you choose it, what did you learn, and then you give yourself a grade. So 3 total products. You present one to the class. You fill out these slides that are here. And if you get done with all of it, you let me know, and I have a few extra tasks that you could do if you're done. So let me know if you have any questions. Hope this helps.